gizzard, fried chicken gizzard. Gizzard I will clean up and wash. I'm gonna go in with a little all-purpose and a little chicken seasoning. About a spoon of green seasoning. Right, and just gonna combine that. I add it to a pot, right? Right, now take some water, hot water, pour it on this. Just rinse it. Pour it out in the pot. We'll just cover that and allow the meat to kind of cook. I turn it on low heat and just make the meat them cook to a certain amount. And then we fry them. Alright, so we're gonna make up some Caesar flour for the gizzard. Half cup of flour, a little bit. I use some adobo, all-purpose. I use some chicken seasoning. And combine that. Going to go on. This I cook for about 45 minutes. Drop the knife flour. Not to go with pan for cool. I'll just shake off the excess flour off of them here and fry them. The chicken is as far as you. I have to see how to cook it now. I'm really ready. This is the chicken gizzard, fried chicken gizzard.